Hi, everyone. We have made it to the final week of the course. Congratulations. I know it has been very hectic and busy, but we are in the home stretch. So congratulations on making it. I want to touch base with you about what you can expect for this last week. You are going to be focusing on your final project, which is going to be due on Friday, June 9th. Within that final project, you're going to be examining the 6 different standards for literacy coaches and reading specialists as advanced by the International Literacy Association. So on Blackboard, you'll see the link to those 6 standards. What I'm going to ask you to do is to select and then really hone one of those 6 standards. So those standards are foundational knowledge, curriculum and instruction, assessment and evaluation, diversity, a literate environment, and professional development. So you're only going to pick one of those and then develop a project around that. That project is going to involve you selecting 3 articles from a peer refereed research journal. So that's one of your search features whenever you go to the ISU library search. So essentially it's just a way to make sure that the sources that you are collecting are in fact credible and have been recognized as such by scholars within the field. I'm also going to ask you to weave in 2 websites that in some way buttress your project's scope and help you extend its depth. I also want you to think about how you can really extend your thinking for this particular standard across the course. So for example, if you are selecting professional development, I'd really like you to think about how you can be mindful of different pieces and conversations that we've engaged throughout the course. So for example, being culturally responsive to your students. Where does that come to play as you're developing professional development for your teachers? So really think through making those course-wide connections. Feel free to look back on Blackboard at modules 1 through 4. Your syllabus is always very helpful as you're thinking about that entire scope of the course. But really make this particular project as meaningful and impactful to you as you can. I've said to you several times, I really hope that as much as possible you are creating various artifacts that you can actually use as a literacy coach. As always, if you have any questions, I am very available. If you want to email or if you want to set up a time to have a virtual hangout session, we can certainly figure all of that out. So you're almost there. You're all doing fantastic work, and I'm looking forward to seeing your final projects. Everyone have a great week, and I will see you online.